Hey guys, what's up? Today I got the Myblu starter kit in the mail. So we're gonna jump right into this. Came in a box like this. And when you open the box, basically this is what came in it. Your packing ticket here. Paper, cares about that. Now, this is what it looks like. All the starter kits come with gold leaf tobacco, 24 milligrams of nicotine in the pod. Tells you on the back what it comes with. So let's break this open. When you open it up, you're gonna have little Blue Nation points. Actually, I had just received, I don't know, I had like 230 points. I also had a $2 coupon for a pack of pods. And so I actually got on there. I redeemed the $2 coupon plus 200 of my Blue Nation points, which saved me $4. So I paid $5 and some cents for pack of pods. And I just ordered the Magnificent Menthol. So I'll do a short review on that flavor whenever I get it. Anyway, you're also going to get the little instruction manual. And here is the device. On this side, you got your device. The pod, and then on this side here, pull it out. This is your USB charging cable. So here it is. As you can see, you got your USB charging port at the bottom. This isn't a dedicated charger, so you can use any USB. Let me actually take this out, because I'm going to show you. It has some branding on the bottom. Yeah, see, it says blue on it. So, and normal charging. Okay, so when you open the pod, here's what the pod looks like. And it's going to tell you what it is on it. This is gold leaf. And it has 24 milligrams of nicotine. You stick it right in here. And it clicks. Pretty sure you can put it in either way. And it clicks. Really, that's it. That's all there is to it. There's a light here. When it's blue, you have between 20 to 100% of charge. When it turns orange, it's between 4% and 19%. And when it turns red, you better get yourself near your charger because it's about to die. You only have between 0 and 4% before it's dead. So that's a neat feature, I think. So you can be prepared. Like when it turns orange, you know it's going to die soon. When it hits red, you better put it on the charger. It's a nice size. It's light. It's a light device. It's got some blue branding here. You can see this little opening here. It lets you know how much juice is left. Well, that's nice. The airflow on this is loose. It's really open compared to my Mark 10 Elite, which has a tight draw. This is a bit loose. The flavor of this gold leaf tastes like tobacco. I think if you're a tobacco smoker, you're going to appreciate the flavor, in my opinion. But anyway, that's really it. I was really excited to get this. It's quite a different experience than the Elite. So compared to the Elite, the size, it's a hair smaller than the Elite. The design obviously is different. This feels nice. This one has a different, like a diamond shape almost, and that feels nice. They each feel nice for what they are. The drawers on, the tips on them are a little different. This is tighter, which I appreciate. I like that. This is looser. So I actually like both of them, but this review is about the blue, so there's not really much more to say. They come in blueberry pods, vanilla, cherry, another tobacco flavor, some kind of a mint, and a menthol, and that might be it. I was going to order the blueberry when I placed my order a little bit ago, but I figured I should try a menthol, so that's what I got. Now I'll let you know how that one tastes when I get that. So yeah, like I said, you can pick this up online. They still have the trial offer for you can get this for $1. It's originally $19.99. This is what you'll get. One pod right here. So that's pretty decent if you want to try it out. I'll put the link in the description so you can pick yourself up one of these. And that's it. So if you have any questions, if I can help you out, I will. Just write it in the comments. Have a good evening.